Hey squad, and welcome back to my channel. I hope this finds you in wonderful, great spirits. Today we have a makeup tutorial. Before I get into that, really quick, I have noticed along with myself that people are going through kind of a downtime, going through some battling different emotions and thoughts and different things going on in their life. They're transitioning, and I just want to let you know that there is an insight to it, that you won't continue to go through this period. I know to some people it can be a dark time and you feel like there's no end, you can't get through it, but you can. Just keep pushing through it. Breathe, center yourself, meditate, pray, and you will get through whatever this little roadblock is. It's just a roadblock, you know. It's not the end. It's not like you won't be able to get past it. It's not like the bridge is burned and you're stuck in that place. The bridge will rebuild itself, or you will find another way to get to your destination and then get to a happier place, a more positive mood and atmosphere. So just remember to breathe through it, and like I said, pray and meditate, and surround yourself with positive people, people who will uplift you, people who make you laugh. I mean, I know we've all heard the saying, laughter is the best medicine. It really is. Laughing and breathing, because it rearranges the chemicals in the brain and it allows you to kind of refocus and recenter. So if you're constantly feeding yourself, you know, sad songs, sad poems, sad memes, surrounding yourself with people that are in the same kind of low state as yourself, and y'all are all just feeding into each other and all that negative energy and negative space, it's going to continue. But if you make the conscious decision to reach out to people who can uplift you, or reach out to doing things that can take your mind off of it, it will help you transition to a better place. So if there's something you like to do, a certain hobby, you know, dive into that, or focus on something that has nothing to do with whatever is going on. You know, go out to a movie, you know, a funny movie, not a depressing movie, a sad movie. Go out to a really funny movie, go bowling, go skating, just find something else to do. And also, if you are sleep deprived or you're hungry, you're starving yourself, anything like that, that can also negatively affect your mood and your mind, the way your brain processes information. So like I haven't been sleeping in probably a week or so, and it affects the way that my behavior, my mood, my attitude, my outlook on things. So please make sure you get rest. Rest is so important. Whether you're not going through anything, or whether you're stressed out, or whatever it may have you, you need to get sleep. You have to get sleep. Your body needs it, okay? And water, make sure you're getting plenty of water. Your body needs to be flushed out of toxins. And yeah, so I hope that this helps somebody, or it lets you know that if you are going through the blues, if you're going through a downtime, you're not alone, okay? But make sure you're surrounding yourself or reaching out to people who can help uplift your mood, or their positivity will, you know, influence you to be more positive, and you will get through this. All right, so there's that. Let's go ahead and get started and jump into why we're here. So I'm doing a collab with this wonderful, awesome, great makeup artist that I met through Instagram, and I'm so glad we met each other. We think a lot alike. Is really scary. Like, have you ever met someone like that? Like, you're thinking something, but you don't say it, and they say it, and you're like, whoa. This has happened on numerous occasions, so I feel like we are connected. I don't know if she feels that way, but I feel like we're connected in a very positive way. So anyway, we decided to do a Valentine's Day collab, so that's what I'm here for. She's going to be doing regular Valentine's Day, you know, the romantic lovey-dovey stuff, and I'm anti-Valentine. So that's what this look is about today, is anti-Valentine. So we're going to go ahead and start with, you know, prepping the eyes like we normally do. I want to cover my eyebrows, and again, I forgot to get glue. So last time I tried this, I used, what am I going to say? I used the Got To Be Glued gel to lay the eyebrows down, and this time I'm going to use the spray. So we're using the free spray, and we're going to see how this works. If we can get that to get the hairs to lay down so I can cover my brows. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use my normal eye base, which is my normal combination I normally do, which is the Mauve eye base and the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to see how this combination works with the crayon case and the setting powder, and see, you know, what kind of finish I get with that. If I still get creasing or any issues, since I'm using a different concealer. And for the sake of this video and the sake of time, I'm just going to do one eye because the focus is on the eye and not like the whole entire look for this one. Okay guys, so this is my completed eye coverage. I'm running out of time, so we're just going to go with this and move on. Just know that when you do cover your eyebrows, you will have to do layers, especially, you know, the thicker the eyebrow, the more layers you'll have to add to kind of cover it up. So I'm going to go in with the Resolution palette. Oops. And I'm going to use this shade right here. Let me get a little closer. I'm ready for my close-up. So we're going to just add that to the inner corner. Okay, and then we're also going to use the matte book, of course. So, all right, we're going to use this brown shade here, and then the purple's going up this way. All right, now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease area. And I don't think I explained this before, but the reason why I wanted to cover my brows is because I wanted a bigger eye space to play around with. So that's why I did that. Now I just realized I drew out what I want to the look I wanted to do, and I just realized I went the opposite way I was intending to go, but it is what it is. Just a revision. I said I was using the purple for the outer part. I mixed actually these two colors together so I could get a bigger contrast from this color. So I just want to let you guys know that. And now I'm going to mix those two colors and start the eyelid. Alright guys, so now I'm going to line my lies. Wow. I'm going to line my eyes. And I'm going to go ahead and use the black out of the Resolution palette. Now we're going to do the eyebrows. And I'm going to do a colorful eyebrow. So we're going to use the purple. Alright guys, so all this layering of the product just made it really difficult to do an eyebrow. So now I'm going to draw some hearts. I'm going to attempt to draw some hearts. You know, I probably should have used some paints for this look. I should have used my paint, my Maron palette. I don't even know where it's at, but I should have done that. Okay, so there are my hearts, and since we're anti-Valentine, you know, we're down with love. So I'm going to take the Vivid Brights from NYX in the color Blossom, and we're just going to cross those out. We're Xing it out. Okay, so let's do the under eye area. Now I'm going to take this eyeliner glitter from Motives. It's called Starry Night. And I'm going to use that to, hopefully there's enough in here to line my crease area. Okay, and now I'm going to take some of my NYX glitter eye base, and then this color right here is glitter. I forgot what the name of this glitter is. It's from Queen Elements. Once I post this video, I will find out what color this is, because I forgot. Just in case I get cut off, I don't have enough memory, I wanted to show you guys what I have. So I did add some bottom lashes and of course some top lashes, because my lashes would have been hidden in this under eye makeup. And I got rid of the brows. I just felt like the brows just were not cutting it with this look, and they had to go. So if you're wondering what happened, I took them off. I used a wipe. It was hard. I didn't get all of it off, but I got most of it off, so we're just going to go with this. Okay, I had a perfect lippy to go with this, but I can't find it. So we're just going to go with this one. This is from Wet n Wild. This is Bewitched. This was from their Halloween collection. I'm not a big fan of it because it takes a lot to layer it up. But this is what I have. I'm going to layer it with this other color to kind of... So yeah, I gotta go because I gotta go pick up the kids. So let me know what you'll think of this look. And I think I'll do another Anti-Valentine Day look, but I'll make it more wearable. I mean, unless you like this. I mean, you can definitely go out like this. I am. I'm not washing this off. I gotta go. Alright guys, if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share, because sharing is caring. Share for me. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, let me hop off of here. And if you're watching this for the first time, or watching me for the first time, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and hit that other bell so you can get notification on when you have a new tutorial headed your way. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.